Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver, and today I have an update for those of you in the state of California on the California EDD reform legislation. Now, these are not things that are going to fix your account right now, so this is a generalized update, but I know that many of you are interested in following the progress of the EDD reform. The bills that were passed last week include Senate Bill number 39, against fraudulent claims and inmates, Senate Bill number 58 regarding personal information and Social Security numbers being shared, and Senate Bill 390 about an EDD comprehensive plan. Now, Senate Bill 39 requires the Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation to provide the names and Social Security numbers of current inmates to the EDD for purposes of preventing payments on fraudulent claims for unemployment compensation benefits. Senate Bill 58 states that a state agency shall not send any outgoing United States mail to an individual that contains the individual's Social Security number unless the number is truncated to its last four digits, except for the following circumstances, and then several circumstances are outlined below. Or except in the following circumstances, and then it goes on to detail circumstances where sending the full Social Security number would be acceptable. The last bill that was passed is Senate Bill 390 regarding the EDD creating a comprehensive plan. This bill would require the department to develop and, upon appropriation by the legislature, implement a comprehensive plan to prepare for an increase in unemployment insurance compensation benefits claims due to an economic recession. The bill would require the plan to detail how to respond to economic downturns with a predetermined strategy that has considered the full effect on the department's operations and include, but not limited to, identifying the lessons learned from previous economic downturns, identifying ways to improve self-services to avoid long wait times to speak to staff, and enhancing claims processing tools to ensure that the department's identity verification processes are as robust as possible. The bill would require the department to provide a copy of this comprehensive plan by March 1st, 2022, and to update that copy every second year thereafter. The bill then goes on to detail all of the elements which must be present in the comprehensive plan. Now, you guys, none of these things are helping you to fix your claim today, in a week, or even in a month. These are long-term changes. But the reason why I think it's important to share this with you guys, not only to update you on the progress, but is also to let you see how contacting your state lawmakers is directly resulting in creating EDD reform. You guys have been contacting your assembly members, your state senators. These are the individuals that are advocating for you guys with the state of California who are creating reform bills and who are trying to change the system. So I want to encourage you guys to continue to contact your assembly members and your state senators to let them know of the current issues that you and others are having, because they not only have been very helpful in getting your claims pushed from pending to paid or resolving other issues and acting as a liaison between you and the EDD when you can't get through, but they are also creating reform bills that are changing things in the long term. Okay, you guys, please click like, subscribe, and leave me a